Welcome back, guys. This is Fit and Fast. I have my friend Mr. Buster with me. We're gonna break some nice myths today. Wow. So the myth goes, playing video games for long hours may be a sheer waste of time, but it's not an addiction. It is an addiction. Playing games for long hours leaves you very, very irritable. It leads to some social isolation. You don't want to go out too much. And once you try and get away from it, it makes you very, very irritable and kind of makes you depressed. But we're not getting depressed right here, right now, huh? I've got some amazing recipes for you that's gonna lift your mood and make you super happy. So guys, our next recipe is packed with flavor. It's sweet, it's sticky, it's spicy. We're gonna make a really interesting Korean spiced chicken with sesame tomato salsa. This recipe, our superfood is chicken, the perfect lean protein, so good for your brain and amazing for your gut. Now we're gonna start marinating the chicken super quickly. I'm going with my chicken thighs. I've taken the bone out and obviously cut them a little small. With the soy sauce. So I'm gonna go in with some ginger next. A little red chili powder. Some chopped garlic. White wine vinegar. A little sugar. And finally the gochujang paste. So once it's nicely mixed, I'm gonna add more nuttiness to it. I'm gonna go in with some sesame oil. Now this will go on a medium to low heat pan. And you wanna get a nice sticky sort of texture. So guys, chicken is high in protein, it's lean protein, it's very good for your brain. It's really nice to incorporate that in your diet, but if you can't, then tofu also works absolutely fine with this. There we go. So guys, you want to keep turning the chicken around. It should feel a little sticky, obviously spicy, and amazingly tasty. Now this looks pretty done to me. What I'm gonna do, add a touch of butter just to get that final beautiful glaze. Now the butter starts to become very nutty. I'm gonna finish this off with a final touch of lemon juice. So guys, the chicken is cooking. I'm gonna crack on with my salsa super quickly now. For that, I need a really nice serrano chili. I mean, just go super thin slices. Some parsley. Absolutely fine to use the stalks. We'll go in with some tomatoes now. A little bit of sesame seeds. Squeeze of lemon, touch of sesame oil, and little salt, pepper. And the good mix, and we're done. Guys, now the chicken goes in first. I want to take all that goodness from the pan. So nice and sticky. Smells divine. Go in with fresh salsa. You really want to bite into that chili. It's not hot, but it just adds the right amount of heat to it. And if you have any bread at home that's dried out, just feel free to put that on top. So friends, I hope you memorized the recipe. If not, take a quick recap.
Take a bowl, add the boneless chicken thigh pieces in it, add soy sauce, chopped ginger, red chili powder, chopped garlic, white wine vinegar, sugar, gochujang paste and sesame oil. Now marinate the chicken well and keep aside. Heat a pan on medium flame, place the chicken pieces and let it cook. Add butter and half lemon juice. For salsa, add chopped serrano chilies, some parsley, chopped tomato, black and white sesame seeds, lemon juice and some sesame oil. Now add some salt and black pepper to taste. Place the chicken pieces in a serving plate with fresh salsa and few pieces of sourdough bread. Your Korean chicken is ready.
So guys, salad done, snack done. I'm gonna go get the ingredients out for the recipe. You take a quick break and come back to LF.